Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Ascend by Wix. If you don't know what Ascend is, it's basically a service provided by Wix that helps you get traffic, increase engagement, and build customer loyalty directly from your site. It also allows you to add more automations to your website so that your website will work for you. If you'd like to learn more about automations and workflows, I have 2 videos on that. The links to those will be in the description below, and we'll be covering that a little bit in this video as well. But to start out, let's go ahead and see what Ascend can get you. The first thing I want to talk about is forms. So if we come over to the contact page and we scroll down to the form, the first thing that a paid Ascend plan gets you is more forms. So let's say you have a form on the contact page, you have a subscription form in your footer, you want to add a form on your returns page so users can request a return, and maybe you wanted a form on your frequently asked questions page so users can just fill out a form here, but maybe you wanted a form somewhere else. So if we just add a strip and we try to add a 6th form to the website, then we're going to get this little message saying, hey, you have too many forms on your website and your limit has been reached. In order to add more, you need to upgrade your Ascend plan. So the first thing that the paid Ascend plan gets you is more forms on your website. The second thing that the paid Ascend plan gets you is additional inputs in your contact forms. So let's say, just as an example, this form is for like a job application. And obviously job applications need more fields. So what you could do is press add field, and let's just start adding additional fields. And as you can see, there's this little warning banner that comes here and says, hey, you only have 3 fields left in this form to use. If you want unlimited fields, you have to upgrade your Ascend plan. On top of that, if you come over to the advanced fields, you also get file upload field and you get a signature field. These input fields are only for paid Ascend plans only. So if you need file upload field or a signature field, then you will also need to upgrade your Ascend plan. On top of that, if we come over to form settings, then you're going to see a bunch of different things we can change. First off, coming over to settings and we go to email notifications, here we can change who gets email notifications. For the free plan, you can only have 2 emails get notifications from a form submission. However, with basic, you get 7, professional, you get 15, and unlimited, you get 20. Also, if we come over to conditions, here we can set a new rule. Let's say if the subject is filled in, then the message is optional or is hidden or is required, or we can even do shown. With the free plan, you can only do 3 conditions. However, with any of the paid plans, you get unlimited amount of conditions. Also, with the Ascend plan, you get additional Wix Chat options. For example, if we click this Wix Chat and press settings, here we can check out what you get. So first, you can schedule your online chat hours. So if someone tries to chat off hours, then you can set it up to where you just get an email or you can chat with them later. Secondly, you get to remove the Ascend logo from the chat box. So if I press display here and check it out, at the bottom right, you'll see the Powered by Ascend by Wix. So we get to remove that when you upgrade your Ascend plan. And on top of that, you get advanced customer management and marketing tools. But that's basically it for the in-editor Ascend features. But if we just go to the dashboard, we get several different features. The first one I want to talk about is email marketing. If we come over to marketing and SEO and go down to email marketing, here we can actually create campaigns to send different emails to our email list. And unfortunately, on the free plan, you can only send 3 emails a month for up to 5,000 emails. When you upgrade to basic plan, you get 5 email campaigns a month, professional gets 20 a month, and unlimited gets unlimited campaigns a month. And for the maximum email sends, on the free one, like I said, you get 5,000, basic you get 9,500, professional you get 50,000, and unlimited you get 1 million. Also, with any of the paid Ascend plans, you can actually schedule your campaigns to go live at a certain date. And for professional and unlimited, you can have campaign URL with custom domain, which this helps your credibility with email marketing And the last cool thing that you can get with any of the paid plans is you can remove the Ascend branding from your email marketing. If you are just on the free one, you're going to see this banner at the bottom that said created with Ascend. The next thing you get with the Ascend plans is automations. Now I know I've already covered this in our previous video, link to that will be in the description. However, let's just go over a little brief automations crash course. Automations help automate your website. So for example, if someone leaves your site without buying something that's in their cart, you can create an automation that will send them an email to try to recover that abandoned cart and drive more sales. So we can create our own, or we can just use their recommended one. And if we scroll down, we're gonna see they have like tons of template automations that we can use. But just for fun, let's just go ahead and create a new automation. Up at the top, we can name it whatever we want. Basically how it works is we can set a trigger, and then when this is triggered, then we can choose a follow-up action. So let's just set up like an abandoned cart. So we're gonna choose Wix stores. Some options are gonna pop up. When a customer abandons a cart, then we can choose a follow-up action. For this example, let's just go ahead and say send email to contact. Then we can go ahead and edit the template. Then we can schedule the timing for this action, which typically for this, I typically like to wait 2 hours. And then if you have an upgraded Ascend plan, you can have a multi-step automation so that more would happen when this is triggered. But once you're done creating your automation, then you can just press activate. And as you can see right here in our active automations, we can only have 3 at a time on the free plan. If you pay for the basic plan, you get 5 automations. For the professional plan, you get 20, and unlimited, you get unlimited automations. And if you watch my video on workflows and automations, then you can see that you can use automations and workflows to completely automate most of the functions on your website. The next thing you get with Ascend is social posts. So if we come over to marketing and SEO and come down to social posts, here are tons of templates for posts that you can post on your Facebook page, Instagram, or just about any other social media post. We can just choose a template or we can create our own. And it's honestly really easy. However, with the paid plan, you can only do 3 a month. With the basic, you can do 5. Professional, you get 20. And unlimited, you get unlimited. And with any of the plans, you can actually create the post and schedule them to go live on your Facebook at any time. The next thing you get with Ascend is Video Maker. So if we come over to marketing and SEO and go down to Video Maker, here we can create several different videos for social media. And the cool thing is you can have it be size of a post, a story, or anything that you need it to be. And it is super easy to set up. But with the free plan, you can only make 4 in the entire lifetime of the site. However, if you pay for the basic plan, you get 5 per month. Professional, you get 10 per month. And unlimited, you get 15 per month. Something else you get with Ascend is you get to remove the branding from your invoices and price quotes. So if you're a company that sends invoices and you want to do it through Wix, then it might be more professional if you get the Ascend plan so you can remove the Ascend branding at the bottom. And that's same with the price quotes. Also, you can set up your invoices so that they can bill your clients annually or even monthly. On the free and basic plan, you can only have 5 reoccurring invoices, but professional and unlimited, you get unlimited amount of recurring invoices. And the last thing you really get from Ascend is if you're on the unlimited plan, then you get VIP customer care, and you can have multiple team members on your Ascend plan when you're on the professional and unlimited plan. Now for the professional one, you can only have up to 5 team members, but on the unlimited plan, you can have as many team members as you would like. But that's basically it for the video today, guys. Let me know in the comments below how you would use Ascend on your website. And if you liked the video, please press that like button and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out in the future. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.